Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Itsmyrayeraye times BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using Pancake, Mousse, Control Freak, Sunset Friday, and Black Beauty. And I'm going to use Angel in my brow bone to highlight it. So I'm going to go ahead and use Pancake all over my lid, and then I go in with Mousse a little above my crease, and then Control Freak in my crease, and Sunset and Friday on the lid, the outer corner of the lid. And then I'm going to use Black Beauty to carve out where to define where I'm going to put the cut crease. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fitme concealer, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. So for all those who have hooded eyes, this is a good technique for you guys to follow. All you have to do is place some concealer on the tip of your lid and then look up, and then wherever the concealer transfers, that's where your crease would be. So after doing that, I'm going to go in with Nudist and use it over the concealed area to help to make the concealer get matte real quick, because I did not have as much time to to sit and let the concealer dry. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with Angel and place that all over the area that I concealed, and then I'm going to blend out the harsh edges with Sunset and Friday. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, and I'm going to use that to create a wing. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using my Wet n Wild Photofocus primer, and then I'm going to go in with my two foundations, my Maybelline SuperStay in 334, my Mary Kay foundation in number 7 bronze. These two foundations are both mattifying foundations because I have oily skin. After placing those on my face, I'm going to go in with my same Maybelline Fitme concealer and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to highlight my face, and I'm going to be using those under my eyes, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and also my chin. To contour, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going to be using the second darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. After blending my concealer and contour out, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use that to set the highlighted areas. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in dark tan, and I'm going to use that to set the contoured areas. And also I'm going to use that same sponge that I used to set put the Buttercup on the setting powder to carve out underneath my jawline. After brushing off my baking, I'm going to go in and set my face with my setting spray, and then I'm going to go in with Moonlight and use that to highlight my face. So I'm going to be highlighting the eyes parts of my cheek, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, a little on my forehead and my chin, and also my cupid's bow. I'm also going to be adding a little blusher, and I'm going to use my blush from Black Radiance, and I'm going to use that underneath my highlight, so it's going to be between my highlight and my contoured area. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and I'm going to be using a brown lip pencil to mark my lips, and then I'm going to be going in with my burgundy lipstick from e.l.f. I don't remember what color it is, but I will definitely put it in the description box below. And then after that, I already popped my lashes on off camera and set my hair, so here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you. Bye.